Howdy doody folks. Well, here we have some very special sports cars from my 1/18 scale diecast collection. So first up we have the Chevrolet Corvette, then we have the Ferrari 166 MM, then we have the Porsche 550A Spider, and last but not least we have the Jaguar XKSS. So we'll just have a closer look at these wonderful cars. So first up we have the Corvette. Just have a closer look. Okay, I'll just spin it around for you. Have a close look at that dash. Okay, we'll have a look at the insides. Okay, here we have the fuel injected V8. Closer look at the dash there. And here we have the spare in the back. And finally the underneath. This model's by Rose Signature. Lovely detail there. Okay, so now we'll move on to the Ferrari. So here we have the Ferrari 166 MM. I'll just give it a spin around. A closer look at the dash. So this is, even though it's an Italian car, it's right-hand drive. That was to take advantage of the clockways racing circuits that they had in Italy. Okay, just moving on. Close look at the frontal area there. Okay, we'll take a look at the engine. So this one's got a V12 engine, pretty low capacity though, about just over 2 litres I believe. So I'll just have a closer look at that. See if we can get a closer look. Okay. Have a closer look at the dash there. There we go. And there's the spare wheel and the fuel tank in the rear. So I'll just have a look at the underside now. Okay, just having a look at the underpinnings here. This is a Hot Wheels model. Okay, so now we'll check out the Porsche. Okay, here we have the Porsche Spider. Let's give her a spin around. Just a closer look at the can't see too much of the dash there. Close look at the front. Okay, we'll have a look inside now. Okay, the Porsche 4-cylinder motor is at the back there. Complete with a spare wheel with the toolkit. And there's the front fuel tank area there and the dash. Get a good look at the dash this time. Now underneath. Okay, the underneath is pretty smooth on the Porsche. This is a Maysto model. Okay, now onto the Jaguar XKSS. Okay, here we have the Jaguar XKSS. Made up from the D-type spares that the factory had, and a prelude to the famous E-type. So just give the XKSS a spin around. close look on the front there. Now we'll have a look at the inside, the engine. Okay, here we have the Jaguar Twin Cam 6. Have a close look at this one. There it is. Just get a closer look at the dash while we're at it. Very much a D-type dash. And of course, if you want to see your spare, you just flip down the rear bumper area there like that. Now we'll check out the underneath. Okay, this is an Auto Art model. Okay folks, it's time to go now. I hope you've enjoyed these wonderful models as much as I do. Absolutely fabulous models. Okay. Bye for now.